Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because we're off for a press release for the great charity motorcycle ride where quite clearly they need a sexy model and I am their man. So cue the intro. So we are off. I'm riding the charity bike to go to a photo shoot to get some pictures done for the great charity trip. Now the great charity trip ride is going to be absolutely awesome. We're raising money for Rainbow Trust Children's Charity and they're putting a massive press thing together and sending it out, and they've asked for some pictures in the t-shirts, etc, etc, and of course we need to do that in true helmet head 11 out of 10 style. So I've got it all planned. I've got the Sidekick sorted. I'm going to go and pick him up now. He's going to bring out his bike. We're going to go to a special location where a sort of trained 11 out of 10 photographer is going to take some of the most amazing pictures of us so we can send them to the charity. So again, to raise as much awareness of the amazing ride that we're going to do for the best charity in the world, and hopefully get some more donations going, because I just want to keep seeing that donation total going up. We're so close to the big off, so many people are involved, and I'm just getting more and more like giddy and excited by how many donations and how much support this trip's getting. And again, the channel is just growing and everybody's on board, and it's just, honestly, it's blowing me away. It's so amazing. So please be that next person to put that total up. Please be that next person to share a video in a Facebook group or anywhere, and let's get more and more people on board on this trip, because the bigger it gets, woohoo, the more money that we're going to raise. Anyway, I'm getting a bit carried away already because I want to just gun this past these cars, but I'm not going to the Sidekick. Give him his t-shirt, get him to get changed into that so he looks uber sexy like me, and let's get to the photo shoot. Well, the Sidekick's actually ready for a change. Now we're going for the photo shoot, and I've told you to make sure that you're looking your best you possibly can. So you've obviously spent hours and hours in the shower. Well, you obviously have. Anyway, let's go and meet the photographer, all right? So we're here at the film shoot. I'm going to introduce you to the world famous photographer. First of all, though, I'm going to give Darren his special Rainbow Trust Children's Charity t-shirt so he can go and get himself ready to look all sexy just like me. So let's get on with it. That's for you.
Cheers, mate, thank you.
Go look sexy, okay? And then I'll do your makeup in a minute, bear with me. So you're Chris, the photographer. Now, you don't normally go on film, so I do appreciate it. Now, I've heard that you've worked with people like Tom Boobs, and you've recently come off of the Playboy channel filming the ladies with the boobies, and you've taken a little bit of time out of your day to come and do this amazing photo shoot.
Yeah, I heard we were doing a photo shoot with some really sexy guys, and yeah.
Well, we are, and it's going to be good.
Yeah, I didn't bring any makeup artists, you're going to have to do it yourself, but we'll get something done. I mean, hopefully if we wait till it's dark, we should get some good pictures.
Well, I've got it all covered. I've got the makeup covered. Obviously, we're in a beautiful location, so we can get some absolutely awesome shots. So thank you for being here.
You're welcome. And you said this was for Cosmopolitan?
Yeah, it is. It's going to be massive. It'll be huge. It'll be in all the papers, and you'll be even more famous.
Great.
All right, dude, what I want you to do is get ready. I'm going to put some makeup on you, okay?
No, you're not. Get away from me with
No,
that.
come on, let's just a little bit of brush and a little bit of this and a little bit of this and a little bit of this.
Hey, come on, guys, we're going to lose the light. Come on, we've got to get this done. Right, come on, in the middle. Get in the middle. I need you to look really sexy. Yeah? So stand together like you know each other. Yeah. Give me some more. Give me more. Give me more. More hit, more thrust.
Like that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, and get close, that's it. Beautiful. Right.
Do we have to touch?
Do you know blue steel?
Blue steel?
I need you to give me blue steel. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Blue steel! No, that was rusty tin. Okay, right, a bit more now, lads. Now what we want is, the ladies are going to want this. Now, jackets off now. Come on, let's get those jackets. Oh yeah, get those jackets off. That's it. Now toss them away. Toss those jackets away. That's it. Oh, lovely.
You're taking pictures. This isn't a video, is it? This is pictures, yeah?
Yeah. It's not for my collection or anything. No problem. All right, now, yeah, let's flex, because you're superheroes.
Flex?
Breathe in. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, flex, flex, flex. That's the stuff. That's the stuff. Now, let's lose the jeans.
The what? What?
The jeans. Lose the jeans.
I'm not losing the jeans.
Oh, I thought.
This is for charity. I'm not losing the jeans.
Oh, this isn't for the ladies on Cosmopolitan.
No, well, it is, yeah, but it's also for a charity, so I've got to be a little bit careful. But
What sort of charity?
for kids.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh shit.
So we just take some more pictures. Is that
Okay.
all right?
Okay. All right. Leave the jeans on. For kids, you say. Right. Stand together nicely. That's it. Now just look up slightly towards the sun and
In my eyes.
pose for me. That's it. Now try and give me a magnificent look. That's perfect. And look straight down the camera. Awesome. Lovely ladies. I mean gents. Lovely stuff. Okay, great. I think we're done here.
Okay.
Yeah, I think what we'll do though is we'll come back when the sun sets and finish the photo shoot and get the real photo.
That is the real photo, isn't it?
Well, we can't use you two, can we? So we'll wait till it's dark.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost.
So we've finished with the shoot. Thanks so much, Chris, for coming along today and being absolutely awesome. Now, obviously, I've got a world famous audience that actually watch the channel. So do you want to plug your website?
Yeah, my website is boobalicious.com. You'll get lots of photography on there. But I've got to go now because I've got a lot of Photoshop work to do to make this one look half decent. All right?
It's a bit rude,
Catch you
isn't it?
next time. See you on my website.
Well, a massive thank you for watching, and please donate. The link is down in the description. The total is going up and we're getting closer and closer and closer. We've had a blast, so check out the press release when it does come out, because it is generally a press release coming out. This isn't just for giggles, mostly is, but it is coming out, so check that out. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next crazy helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.